Okay. Good day, everyone. My name is Aliya Silmi. I'm currently a final year business student at the School of Business and Management, Bandung Institute of Technology, Indonesia. I believe that an online conference is really convenient for me. I can just do it anywhere I want. I don't need to travel to the venue. If I need to attend on offline conference in some other countries, I have to stay at least for 2 or 3 days. But then if I choose an online conference, I can remove the cost of airfare, the cost of hotel, Airbnb, food, and some other costs. So it's a lot more efficient and effective, I believe. Yes, of course. I can always recommend my friends or colleagues to attend an online conference. In fact, I was the one who suggested some of my friends coming from my university to attend this specific conference as it is convenient, effective, and efficient. So, yeah, definitely yes. I can always suggest my peers, my friends, my colleague to attend an online conference. I see. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Charles and everyone involved in the organizing this conference. I am so honored to become the eminent person. This conference was arranged greatly, I believe. I found some issue when I was when I was submitting my paper to this conference. Then I talked to Dr. Charles through the email for several times and asked for confirmation, asked for help. So she helped me a lot during the throughout the process. So thank you so much for everything in this conference. I believe I can always recommend everyone to join this conference in any time. That's all
Okay.
from me.